Let's make chicken pulao with potato cutlass. Add ginger, garlic paste. Mix well. Add tomatoes with green chili. Add water. Mix well. Add red chili. Add salt. Add hot spices. Add water. Well. Covered for a few minutes. A few minutes later, add soy sauce. Covered for 5 minutes. Mix add water well. And rice. Cover it again. Mix well. Let's fry potato cutlass. It's ready. Final look. Bye.